I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one, 5G smartphone, 512 gigabytes, decked out, $1,400 phone almost. Giving it away. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobtc_Chris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok and then leave a comment in the comment section along with a like. Subscribe to YouTube, like YouTube, comment on YouTube. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market today on TikTok. On TikTok, Chris? Really? Listen, I've started adding these shorts, question and answer type videos, and people love them. Go over and follow cryptobitcoinchris on TikTok. You will find a wealth of information, and I'm going to continue to do this. Like these little pro tips will continue expand this library, and it's going to help you guys. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. Every day we talk about this just because it's so important. Previously, Bitcoin held this level. Bitcoin held this level. Now, Bitcoin lost this level. So you want to talk about midterm upside, you need to break and hold 31,750. Now, there's a falling wedge. Getting some touches now. I mean, you got 2 touches on the other side. You really want 3. So if this thing comes down here, again, parabolic drop if you lose this level, right? And so very important, you watch. This is going to control the next few months in the crypto market based on this reaction, the price reaction right here. Okay. So again, if this thing just like chops sideways, potentially you get some really good altcoin trading. These gem picks on Kucoin have been banging, but again, Bitcoin has to work with us to some extent. And so we're going to zoom in. This is the 1 hour time frame. And I posted on Twitter, hey, watch Bitcoin like you're in a rising wedge. There's 68% chance it broke to the downside. Now, previously, same thing happened here. It rolled over slightly and just bounced. And then this rising wedge dumped, broke to the downside. What's happening is the price is running up and getting rejected, running up, getting rejected, running up, getting rejected. Here, got rejected again. So this very valid trend line right here gets broken to the upside. You're looking for a move to the range high, 30,850. And if that's broken, next level 31,300. But then all the sellers are stacked right here at 32,000. So you want midterm hold ideas as far as Bitcoin goes, altcoins, whatnot. You really need this level. You're not going to know when you open up a trade first thing, you're not going to know exactly where it's going over time, right? But you open the trade based on these ideas and then manage your risk. Take profits as needed, increase and decrease your position sizes. So what you don't want to see is this thing break to the downside, test the mid-range and lose the mid-range, and you could end up down here at 27,141. Now, we talked about some breaking news coming today, and it broke, and the market didn't necessarily respond badly. The last 2 times the FOMC meeting minutes have been released, it didn't move the market. At the time before that, you saw a huge Bitcoin pullback. And so we're going to go over that in just a second. Make sure watch this video all the way to the very end. We're going to talk about this idea, but it's really, I'm not trying to predict this. You could, short-term longs, if you break above here and a move up here is possible, 32,000. Or, if you get a rejection and break to the downside, you're shorting it. And mid-range would be take profit level and range low would be take profit level. So it's like, hey, Bitcoin, just give me the signal on how to trade. And it's been a waiting game, and your patience will pay off. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person gave his son access to the videos. He's in the trading group, gave him $40. He turned it into $743 in one trade on BitTrue Exchange. Now, somebody on Twitter came out and they said, no, this is too good to be true. And I said, look at the bounce. Green Fuel, USDT, had a 4,700% bounce. Epic oversold bounce. This thing freaking pumped crazy. He only hit it for like 12x, right? So, I mean, he missed a bunch of the move, but yeah, you can do this. Shout out to Vicky. Appreciate her comment. But again, too good to be true. This is crypto. Understand that this market, man, when it's good, it's golden. And when it's bad, it will destroy your portfolio, your mindset. And this person, so he's going to the bathroom every single day at 9:25. Everybody's like joking with him, like wondering, why are you in the bathroom so much? He's working with 55-year-olds and 60-year-olds, and most of them just have flip phones, right? Somebody, when he walks by going to the bathroom every day, he said, I got 25,000 in AT&T. Let me know when the market gets good. This person has 10x'd his money in the bathroom at work, paid off all his debt. Like, this story just keeps getting better and better and better. You sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. You're tired of losing money in this market? Let me help you. On a daily basis, we're nailing these bangers. 220% gains out of Roar, 312% gains out of Race5, 492% out of HeartTM, 389% gain from Trip on Heroes. You've got to be in the right coins, period. You cannot win and beat this market if you're holding downtrends and you're in the wrong coins, period. Here's the SPX. So again, you can possibly play around with exactly where this diagonal trend line is at. But right now, I'm looking at this white rising wedge. 68% chance that this breaks to the downside. All right, what this means is downside ideas are here. However, if this thing were to break higher, this is where we're going to open up longs, because it would be some type of small fake out, and you're going to get, potentially you could get a move up here, or you have longer, more sustained, stronger upside out of the SPX, and Bitcoin is going to follow the SPX. It has been. You can see, I turn on this orange line. This is Bitcoin. All these major swings, major pivots, convert directly to what Bitcoin's doing. And so use this. SPX has made us tremendous amount of money, and understand these ideas, period. Now, to figure out what the SPX is going to do, I want give me 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. I want to see where the SPX is at. Right now, green and kind of flat. What I'm considering is the FOMC meeting minutes were just released, and that's essentially the notes of the last FOMC meeting. So what stock market tries to do is find some insight from these notes to see if the Fed is more hawkish, more aggressive on raising rates, or if they're more dovish on, hey, we raised the rates and the markets are getting wrecked, and so we need to slow this down. And so that picture, and we're going to talk about it in just a second, we haven't seen the moves on the day that the news has been released recently. It's been like the next day. So I'm looking at the Fed minutes and how it's going to move the market, pointing to more rate hikes that go further than the market anticipates. So seemingly bad news. Okay, they're talking about 50 basis points. The last time this happened, the market tanked. So can we get a relief rally before that? But they said, the Federal Open Market Committee said the policy may have to move past neutral and into restrictive territory. So pretty hawkish. The minutes indicate that members are hopeful they can bring down inflation, but they're concerned about the financial stability risks. In other words, they raise the rates, they're going to dump the market. And so you wanted to see any hint where they may be a little bit more dovish and only raise the rates 25 basis points. But again, I'm telling you guys, you've got to pay attention to what the stocks are doing, and very important to what Bitcoin's doing. And so literally, this is a day-by-day type where we're looking for a pivot. I mean, Bitcoin's been moving sideways for an extended period of time, since May the 11th, right? This has not been fun, amazing, exciting trading. Now, the gem picks have been banging on Kucoin. Remember, the last time the Fed raised the rates, it was the largest rate hike in 22 years. it tanked. If this happens again, you have to assume that the market's going to tank, but they have the FOMC meetings every 6 weeks. If you look on the Fed website, June 14 and 15, the next FOMC, the next rate hike is coming. Will this be a 50 basis point rate hike? Will it be higher? That would be devastating for the markets. Will it be lower? That would help Bitcoin. It would help crypto. It would help stocks. Because rates are going to be increased isn't always bad, but you want it to fall where the stock market anticipate it falling, right? It hits expectations. May not move the market as drastically than if you get something off the wall, something crazy, something unexpected. That's going to move the market even more. And so understand these ideas, and you're like, Chris, why are you talking about all stock ideas? We're trying to trade crypto, Chris. Why? Because this has given me the biggest edge I've ever had trading this market, and it will help you tremendously. This thing is going to work until it doesn't. While it is working, we need to take advantage of this huge edge we have trading this market. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.